Let us see how can we compare unlike fractions with the different numerators. We have two methods to compare like these fractions. First is by taking LCM of denominators and second is by cross multiplication. Now let us see first method. Suppose we have two fractions 5/6 and 3/4 and we have to compare these fractions. So here we can see numerators are not same and denominator also are not same. So first of all we have to find LCM of denominator according to first method. So now first of all let us find LCM of 6 and 4. Right here 6 and 4 and we can find LCM by any method. So here we will use division method to find LCM. Now we have 6 and 4 and here we can see both are even numbers. So we can divide 6 and 4 by 2. If we divide 6 by 2, we will get 3. And if we divide 4 by 2, we will get 2. Now 3 and 2 both are prime numbers. So we cannot divide 3 and 2 by a common number. So write here 2 because 2 is a prime number. So we can write here 2. But if we divide 2, we will get 1. But we cannot divide 3 by 2. So we have to write 3 as it is. And here 1. Now write here 3. And when we divide 3 by 3, we will get 1. And here 1 as it is. Now stop here and write LCM of 6 and 4. So LCM of 6 and 4 will be 2 into 2 into 3 means 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. Now we have LCM 12. Now what we will do? After finding LCM of denominator, we have to convert these fractions into like fractions. But how can we convert these fractions into equivalent fractions? Now I need to write equivalent fraction of these fractions with denominator 12. So right here 5/6 is equal to something by 12. Now I am writing equivalent fraction of 5/6. And we already discussed that how can we get an equivalent fraction of any fractions. So here let us see how can we get 12 from 6. If we multiply 6 by 2, then we get 12. So we need to multiply numerator also by 2. If we multiply 5 by 2, we will get 10. Now 10 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 5/6. Now write 3/4 is equal to something by 12. Now let us see how can we get 12 from 4 by multiplying 3. If we multiply 4 by 3, we will get 12. We get 12. So now we need to multiply numerator also by 3. And if we multiply 3 by 3, we will get 9. Now 9 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 3/4. Now 10 by 12 and 9 by 12 both are like fractions. Okay, and 10 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 5 by 6, and 9 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Now let us compare 10 by 12 and 9 by 12. Now these are like fractions, so we need to check only numerator. Now here 10 is greater than 9. So 10 by 12 is greater than 9 by 12. But these fractions are not given in our question. So we need to compare these fractions. So write here 5 by 6, because we know 10 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 5 by 6, and 9 by 12 is an equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. So write here 3 by 4. And if 10 by 12 is greater than 9 by 12, then 5 by 6 is also greater than 3 by 4. So in this way we can compare these fractions.